Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create pay links in Wix. A pay link is one of the simplest ways to get paid online. No full checkout page, no complicated setup. It's basically a shareable payment link you can send to anyone, and they can pay you instantly. This is especially useful for freelancers, small businesses, or quick transactions. Start by logging into your Wix account and going to your dashboard. This is where you manage your site, payments, and business tools. From the dashboard, find and click on Getting Paid. What this section is. This is Wix's Payment Management Center. Here you can set up payment methods, track transactions, create payment tools like Paylinks. Under the section, click on Paylinks. This will open the Paylink management page. Now click on Create Link. What you're doing here. You're generating a unique payment link. This link can be shared via message, sent to clients, used outside your website. Next, you'll be asked to choose between Custom Amount, Catalog Item. For this example, select Catalog Item. What this means, you're linking the payment to a product you already created. So instead of entering a random amount, you're charging for a specific item. The price and details are predefined. Click Next. Now select the product you want from your catalog. Then click Continue. What happens here? You're attaching a product to the payment link. This ensures accurate pricing, clear item description for the customer. Next, you'll be asked to choose a color. Why this matters? This controls how your payment link appears. It affects branding, visual appeal. Choose a color that matches your brand, then click Add Item. Now you'll have the option to add a description. This is optional, but don't ignore it. Why description matters? It tells the customer what they're paying for. A clear description builds trust, reduces confusion, prevents disputes. After that, click Create Pay Link. What just happened? Your payment link is now created. You can copy it, share it, send it to customers. Important requirement. This feature is not fully available on free plans. You must upgrade your Wix plan, set up payment methods. Otherwise, the link may not function properly. What you just did, big picture. You accessed payment tools, created a payment link, connected it to a product, made it shareable. You created a direct way to get paid. To summarize, creating a pay link in Wix involves logging into your dashboard, navigating to the Getting Paid section, and accessing the Paylinks feature. From there, you create a new link by selecting either a custom amount or a catalog item, choosing the relevant product, customizing its appearance, and optionally adding a description. Once the link is created, it can be shared with customers to facilitate direct payments. While the process is straightforward, it requires an upgraded Wix plan and properly configured payment methods to function effectively. When used correctly, Paylinks provide a simple and efficient way to collect payments without needing a full website checkout experience. And that's how to create a Paylink in Wix. It's simple, but don't underestimate it. This is one of the fastest ways to start getting paid online without building a full system. Just make sure everything is set up properly, because a broken payment link isn't just an error, it's lost money. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.